Bleach Hill, I guess. Singly linked node, return the value of the middle node. If there's two middle nodes, and return the second one. For example, 523, return to 4639, return 3. Can you do it in bigger constant time space? Let me just can I do it in constant time, constant space? So no more data structures. Can I? That's a great question. I could do it in big O(n) space because you just have to have a items equals that for our node node dot items dot append val node dot node equals node dot next return items length of items, and then I don't want to do floor division, but I'll just do that for now. Let's hope the first test doesn't break. Okay, so I could do it like that, but in constant space. I have no idea. With the smaller example, let me just... I could keep track of the last element, but with this one, 4 to 6, keep track of 4, 6 to 3, keep track of 6. It's not going to work out very well. How would I get constant space access to the middle node? Well, it says big O constant space. It doesn't say the optimal time. So I could cheat and counter equals 1, and then I could calculate the length of the linked list. Counter plus equals 1, node equals node dot next, and then I'll counter. Is there a Vim setting for this? Okay. It's not like that. Okay. Was there a dark mode too? One of these has to be dark mode. Come on. One of these has to be dark mode. No. Okay. So counter 2 equals 1. If there's 2 nodes, so we need to deal with that later. Well, counter 2 int equals counter counter 2 plus equals 1. If counter 1 is if not counter 1 is odd, then we want to grab the next node. We'd want to store head here too. That should do with the odd case here, where you want to return the second middle element, and then return the value of your node. Return head.val. And what's the error going to be? Name counter 1 is not defined. That's perfectly fine because it's not called counter 1. Non-type has an attribute next. Okay. So what was the input there? 0, 1, 2. So what is what are you? There's no attribute next. I see, because I'm calling I want you to be line 25. Oh, I see. It's because I'm an idiot. Has to actually equate to something. Hello, Legendary. Welcome back to my stream after 15 days. Non-type has no attribute val. Why not? Because it's none. The double thingy? Do you mean the double thingy? I don't get what you mean. One counter equals x, second counter equals 2x. Oh yeah, like Tortoise and Hare. Oh, that's because I didn't know about that algorithm. So if counter 1 times We'll try it. Well, head equals dot next. Counter plus equals 1. And then I presume if counter 2 times 2 is equal to counter 1, and then counter 2 equals counter 1, so we bring it up there. But if, and then we return the point at counter 2. If we're doing this, we just need to store the so every time we reset the counter, we want to reset the mid node to be ahead. You want to do this last. It's not called head, it's called a node. It's not called counter either, it's called counter 1. I'm an idiot. This is where the actual program breaks. Object type L node is not JSON serializable. Does it break before it returns? Yeah, it does. So midnode's broken. Oh, it's because I'm returning the node and not the value. Okay, that means our algorithm is wrong here. How does it get to a... Oh, I see. Because it increments the counter before it does it. Oh. Perfect. Okay, that was a really cool algorithm. Thanks for that. I should have seen that. I knew it was something like that, but I couldn't work it out. Now I just need to fix this bug. Let's go in one past. Let's see why. Oops. 1, 2, 2, 4. 1, 2 gets 2. Counter gets 2. Yeah, odd numbers. Yeah, the even list is the problem. Gets to 6 and then it jumps to 9. I could always keep track of if it's even or not, and then only jump on odd numbers. So if it gets to 6, and then it gets to say, let's say, another number 10, to jump to 9, which might cause some problems. Let's try it. And then I need to keep track of the old node, which is oh yeah, you're really smart. If it exists, then it's odd, otherwise it's even. So if it gets here, we'd want to only go. Does that work? So if it's yeah, it is. What if I? I mean, I could always cheat. What's this if student for mid node equals node dot next? Try if node dot next next. Accepting nothing. I would fail the interview if I did this. Damn. Yeah, down here. I want it to go to the next node when it's an even number. I could always wrap it in a giant try except block. Okay, good night, Legendary. That's very late. Thanks for your help. See ya. It's just you and me now, trying to figure out. Let's go back to basics. So, I want to check if node.next exists. But it'll cause errors if it does. I could always cheat here. Back a word, W to delete. If not, counter 1 modulus 2 equals 0. If it's actually... So if it's even, I'd want to go old node.next, return old node.next.val, else return mid node.val. So here I'm taking a... So I take the leap here, but I only use the old node if I detect it's a thingy. Old node is not defined. Mid node is not defined. No, it's not. You are right. Is there a keyboard shortcut for this? What's this? Okay. What's this? Oops. Your result too. Oh no. Oh no, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Oh, it's an off by 1 error because of this. And it only checks conditions here. And if I do this, it's going to break as well. Yep. Or not. Okay. I knew it wasn't going to like that. Does that work? Non-type has no object val. I mean, it's an odd list, so it shouldn't work on that. But it's still counting it up to a 1. Okay, please work. Please work. Please work. Damn it. One type has no attribute val. This shouldn't run. Oh, it's 2 nodes. Why is it counting 3 though? Six? Okay, that's fair. I'm an idiot. So, what is the second one? $22. Okay. Should it work for a U printed 4? Your result 51, expected 65. So it doesn't work for even things very well. It's very hard. Tell me what the problem is. Mid is 22. Old is 22. The output 22. This is going to be a hack. I just can't figure out how even numbers work here. Try. Okay, so we know that no dot next to next means the list is If this exists, then it's odd, else it's not. So if this exists, that means the list is odd. So we just want to print out the mid node. Else we want to print out the mid node plus 1. I could just do mid node equals mid node, return mid node. So then we'll try it on a 4639. Where's mid node at the moment? It's at 9. Oh, why is that 9? Oh, because of a. Okay. Okay, promising. Ah. You printed 1. Okay. I see where this has gone. 139, right? 1012. 012. It's because this returns. For node.next.next. What happens if I. This will cause an error, won't it? Yep. Okay. That won't work anyway. Very annoying. Counter 2 is what we want to print here. These work. Oh wait, it should be the other way around. So it's caused because there's only 2 elements in the list. And counter 2. So it's even. This code checks it, which isn't, so it goes here. So it's even. And counter 2 is less than or equal to counter 1. So it's this line here, it's wrong. Oops. Does that run? No, it doesn't. It goes here. Oh, I see why. This is very complicated, very fast. I don't like this question at all. I'm sure there's a really elegant solution at the end. So if it's thanks, Ashrini. If it's I don't get why this doesn't run though, because it's 1 divided by 2. Ah. So that should run. It doesn't. Really overcomplicated. Don't like this at all. Let's go back to the drawing board. Oh, even. It's because I did use it, but then I stopped using it. Only these 3 variables are used. So our node, if it's half, then set it to that. So the list is even. And we get to 6. Our counter gets to 9. So we double to 9, which is incorrect. So we only want to double on odd numbers. So if we do this, we get to 9, and then we don't double. Maybe. Maybe. That would work. Okay, we just check to see if it's odd. It's not. Return. We want to do that last because mid isn't actually defined as anything, but we don't want to do it there. Does that work? Look, a variable counter reference before creation. No shit. So if we do that there, checks if it's odd. If it's even, we want to get a mid node plus 1. So for this example, it would go counter 1 equals 1, counter 2 equals 1. Counter 2 times 2 does not equal counter 1. So then we loop next. Counter 2 times 2 equals counter 1. So we set the mid node to the current node, which is 22. But it's because we increment them at different times. Counter 2 changes here, whereas counter 1 changes here. They go at different speeds. The algorithm's called Tortoise and Hare. You have a tortoise which goes slower, which in our case is counter 2, and a hare that goes faster, which is counter 1. and then when they meet, it normally means something weird's happened. In this case, oh, hi Varg. What's that little icon you've got? Ah! Good luck, have fun. Nice. So in this case, 22, we get 22 here. But I don't think it runs because a node.next to next doesn't run. Because it's only small list. Which is quite annoying. Counter 1, counter 2. We'll just see what our counters are at. Oh, thanks for following, Varg. I don't have any fancy effects, I think. No, I don't. So this runs actually twice until it gets to here. So it's even. So has an attribute next, that's fine. Turn mid.val. Does that change it all? 22. So we want to check if we're at the end of the list, basically. If counter 1 you could shorten this by a lot. Is it morning in Australia already? Line 28. That one. 10:37 a.m. Nice. 11 hours difference. Okay. If I do that. Mid reference per assignment. No, it's not. Oh, I see. Here it is. I am a big dum-dum. I am the dumbest dum-dum ever. Okay. This is where everything breaks. Perfect. More test cases. We'll see why this breaks. Expected 65, output 51. So you expected that one. And I went one past you, which means did you double? No. But you should have doubled. I'm doing some code and interview test stuff. I have 11 minutes left. Trying to figure out these test cases. They're pretty harsh. So counter 1 gets to 4. Counter 2. Honestly, right, if that's 4 and that's 2, and I do 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 equals 2. How does this not run? What am I doing wrong? It doesn't allow me to understand. Why is that false? It's 2 equals 2. What's happening here? What do you mean it's let's see right before that. I want to see why 2 doesn't equal 2. 4 equals... Okay, that's fair. Why is it 4 there but 2 there? How? Do you double? No. Is it because it did this? Oh, it did. Okay. So it doubled here, and I don't want it to double. I don't want it to double because it's reached the end. Why has it reached the end? It shouldn't reach the end because of this try except loop. See all my submits too. Past like hour. Maybe if I only increment where it's possible. 65 again. 51. So it gets to 4-2. Yeah. Six minutes left. Oh no. I don't want this to run if it's this is such a mess. Okay. Poggers? No. No poggers. Ah, not this test case again. Okay. That's not very poggers. Two, one. Okay. So you're true here. So 2 divided by 1 equals 1. Oh, hi, Cry. Ah, a new follower. Thanks. I did get a notification for that time. So 4 minutes left. 4:40. 2-1 is printed. Yeah. And then this becomes true, so it goes into this loop here. What's mid.val here? Oh, it's just error. They have friend requests in Twitch. No way. Well, they're gonna add like Snapchat stories next to something. You don't get why mid-up vowels not a thing here. One, two, two, one. Oh, it never assigns a mid node. Okay, that's because it never reaches that point where 1 is equal to 2. What is this about? Wait, there's more questions? There's 4 questions! And I spent an hour on one question. Jesus Christ. God. What the frick is this? Got 2 minutes left. I'm not going to do 4 questions. 2 minutes. MP press an intro. Return whether everyone has at least one friend. That's dynamic program by the looks of it. What about this? Internal non-leaf nodes. Oh, that's recursion. Can I do that fast enough? These seem really nice. I could have done these. But now I only have 1 minute left. Is there a way for me to cop out from this? Wait, I can give up questions? What's the, Are you kidding me? Okay. Is this one still running? Given a list of strings containing the strings red, green, blue, partition the list so red comes before green, which comes before blue. Red, green, blue. Should be done in big O in time. And big O in place. No thanks, Banu. Following. Can I do it in place? I'd have to reserve space for that. I can cheat though. I can cheat. Do you wanna we'll cheat first. Then we'll try to do it in place. we'll just construct a list. And then we just return to return equals that. We want to go 10. I go right to the top of here. If not strings, return nothing. And then to the bottom. 2 ret equals. This isn't going to work out. To ret equals red multiplied that by red if and I have the empty list in front. No. Oh no. Okay, so that's cheating. Let's do it the proper way now. In bigger n time, this was a bigger n plus m time. Where n is size of list, and m is how many items were in the new array. Now we want to do it. Well, we see my game plan here. Oh no, dark. So my game plan here is I no longer have time. Can I give myself time again? No, I can't. My game plan here is to move red to front, blue to back. Everything else will be green in the middle. BRB, this is my chat, Dark. I'm the one streaming here. What's happening in a Discord world? Oh. Oh, is there a new chat in the Discord? Apparently, I can't find it. Well, so anyway, hello Tux. Equals counter equals 0, while counter less than or equals to length of the array. If strings Uh-oh. Okay, we want to swap them over. If strings counter equals red, then we want to swap it with pointer. So we do strings counter strings pointer 1 equals strings pointer 1 strings counter, and then we want to do pointer 1 plus equals 1 if strings counter equals blue. We move it to the end, so we're gonna how do we move something to the end in Python? Oh no, Dark's back. I don't get how you're acting like the streamer here, Dark. I'm streaming. You're acting like soda popping or something up in my stream. Sir. Oh no. Is there a... I have to enable Nightbot quickly. Yeah, stream, go on. Donate some Australian smackaroos to that. In before Dark starts streaming right now, and he's like, everyone come to my stream. Thanks for following, Turks. Make sure to subscribe with Twitch Prime. That's a thing, right? So many Try Hack Me people. Should I go on to a Try Hack Me and start doing some rooms? I can't do rooms at all. It's just not going to work out well for me doing rooms. When was the last time I actually did something in Try Hack Me, other than today? Oh, it was a... Damn. That was a while ago. Learn Linux. I haven't done Learn Linux. We'll do some Learn Linux. Alright, that was a... Room suggestions. Varg says Learn Linux. Sure. Ah. I dislike these videos on the Try Hack Me homepage. This guy's really annoying. When did I do this? Para wants me to do the cod caper. I tried, but it was broken. I think all of Para's machines are broken. Well, the good to find the good rooms, you have to go all the way to the back of the newest section, and then you can. Oh, Jurassic Park. I remember this room right because the fourth flag. If you remember this, Dark, you had to go into the Discord and ask for the flag for it to be given. It was like Sherlock had to give it to you. So that's the only reason I have this one flag in Jurassic Park. I quite like Jurassic Park. Probably it's manual SQLI, and I haven't done SQLI in like 500 years. Who made it? Was it a tri-hacking room? Yeah. 631 days old. You're on a. Yeah, so try hack me 646 days old, and I am a 651. So I'm a week older than try hack me. Fun fact. I'm basically a hero of the site now. How this works. You can't watch. Why not? Or is it because it's blurry? There's not much I can do about that. I could, how do I zoom in on a terminal again? Not do walkthroughs. Oh no, this isn't a walkthrough. Last time I did a machine was probably December last year. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I can't even copy and paste. Is that the one that makes it go fast? Okay. Said a Fredder. Excuse me, Bug. Do you mean Ruscan? Is Docker even on here? It took forever. Oh Jesus! The first Church of Luigiism. Oh me? No, all my books are bad. I'm writing a new book right now. It's fun Git book. They're all free anyway. I don't really sell things anymore. This is my newest book that I'm writing. It's nightmare, the RE nightmare stuff, but for like competitive programming. Teaches you concepts based on challenges that come up competitive programming. Why is bronze spot wrong here? Let me report this in Try Hack Me Discord. Do you think this is genuine? Like, they just... Oh, hi Zero Day. You've got the name on Twitch too. I guess. Let's go Buster instead. Why is there no documents on the why is there pictures, downloads, desktop, but not a documents thing? Why are you advertising someone else's tool in my stream, Varg? Tell you what, we'll use Rust scan. Oh, here, because there's Docker installed. I actually do not use Loic. You just... If this goes wrong, it's CMnatic's fault. He's the one that did this release. How long will it take to download? Whoa. How do I use it? Docker usage. Oh, Jesus. Oh yeah, run this command, I remember. Cinematic showed me this, and I was like, are you kidding me? Look at how long this is. Oh no. 1.10? Oh, it's using an older version. Okay, there we go. Look at this little Easter egg though, admin.tryhackme.com in the Ruscan source code. Anyway, we'd need to right now. Oh no. I'm downloading Microsoft Flight Simulator at the moment. It's going to take me forever. I'm trying to figure out where word lists are. Use the // as word lists. Okay. I am also behind in Try Hack Me stuff. All I do is post rooms on Reddit. I don't actually do the rooms. I looked at some of the walkthroughs today, and it was just who made this? Because they added accessible to the tag, so I was like, okay, let me see if it's accessible. Actually, it's accessible. It's nice. I would do this if I liked JavaScript. Oh wait, a reference. Now I have to do this. Let's speedrun this. Is it just boom? What is John's occupation? Oh yeah, the bad words. It's better than having a pin of it in mod chat. Yeah, fucking Discord's allowed. I feel like if Dark was to list what words are allowed in my Twitch chat, I get banned from the platform. Is that public ghost? Oh no, I can't just It's not red. It's not blue. Oh well, next question. What's the output of this code? 012 pyro. Oh, it didn't take Dark any time at all. He made me do it. But we all sat around in the mod chat for like an hour, just talking about swear words. No one's been caught saying anything really bad yet, which is quite good for our community. And let me just go on to another hacking community at random. I won't show you this. Let me just check how much the count has gone up by. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 6 R words today, whereas Try Hack Me hasn't had any for weeks. I'm not going to see what community it is, but the R. Retro Winged. I can't even pronounce that. Uh-oh. Do while? Okay, next question. Can't be bothered. What is the DOM? Domain object notation? To name object model document. XXS. Sort the array. Okay. Can I copy paste? No. Yeah, I can't be bothered to do that. Well, room done. What's that one I wanted to do? That's just the Ghidra logo. Your bathroom? Yeah, of course they have dark. No, to be fair. Oh, but I can do it now that I have burp on here. Is that Bloodhound? Oh, wait. Oh. I was meant to do the burp room, but then, hello, Ghosty Pie. Okay, we'll do burp room. Mr. Oracle shared with me some useful information yesterday, actually. Because I've been resetting rooms manually, which takes me like a minute to do to load the web page. And he says you do it in burp, like just set it up in repeater. So this would be useful for me, I guess. I don't think I need to know any of this. I know how to open up burp. We'll just skip right ahead to the good stuff. Oh no, wait, this is HTTP certificate. I'm sure this information will come in handy later on in the span room. I've done this before, so. Keck W. There's a... Stream the room as well as doing a video. Yeah, like stream while solving it. I've never played Koth, actually. How do I find Koth? There it is. We'll look at Hogwarts. Oh. You know, in my 2 years here, I've never verified my email. And every time I ask to verify my email, it never works. so I guess player. Are you on a public game? No. Okay. Oh, relevant. It's quite good, I've heard. Good night. I might go back to coding. This is something I actually know. I wasn't that far from either, I think. There's no dark mode, which is really annoying. A normal error here. 4-4. Yeah, I'm quite tired too. I'm gonna go back to wait, did Dark say no meeting people as a joke? Okay. I'm gonna go back to threatening Elf for a ban if Elf's awake. Good night, all. Or not. I'll ban you soon, Dark. Bye.